the alien predator. Hello, my name is Frank. Yes, I am a UAP operator. Yes, I am an alien predator. But I am just like everyone. I work hard but also fun. I am an alien predator. Force from military corps. I dress up in creepy suit, designed for planet suits. Abducting humans in the night. We will win the secret fight. War of the world's infinity. UAP operator, that's me. Central intelligence wants to know it all. People Mars are plotting their fall. We save democracy with our ships by imposing brutal dictatorships. For freedom we take a toll. The price per body is a soul. Freedom isn't free, the cost is you and me. We're me. We are puppets who play our parts, hiding the truth even from our hearts. Until after the maybe war in heaven, we can be united with our kin who we lied to all our lives when death arrives. Shadows we arrive, dressed in costumes dark and sleek. Our drones buzzing like a hive, making chaos every week. Aliens, they say they saw humans propaganda floor. In the night we take a stroll, always hiding in a rock and roll. Silence is our main disguise. Disinformation, don't get wise. Counter intel, cunning lies. Oh, run away, fellow human prey. Ignorance in society is our face, spreading tales from outer space. In cosmic stories we are stars, plucking strings on guitars from Mars. Aliens, they say they saw humans propaganda floor. In the night we take a stroll, always hiding in a row. We are the predator. The alien predator. Silence is our main disguise. Disinformation, don't get wise. Countering till cunning lies. Oh, run away, fellow human prey. Information society is a face, spreading tales from outer space. In cosmic stories we are stars, plucking strings on guitars from